Welcome here in Carlosta Hotel. Here in
Armox City.
I'm sorry?
Armox City.
Alright. Madam, you need your signature.
Huh?
You need your signature. Guys, in front of Robinson's Ormoc. See? Guys, look at this. The password of internet is my training. See?
Hindi kasi naka-room sa'yo.
Yeah.
That's why.
Ganda ng room natin ngayon, madam. Sarap matulog. Matulog tayo. Look at the restroom. We'll use it tomorrow. This one. Nice to sleep. Thanks, here. Kasama ko sa dental. Good evening, Ormoc. Right after ng Tacloban, we're here in Ormoc. Hi, Daddy. Wait. Good morning, Carlosta Hotel here in Ormoc.
Anong hotel ba? Carlota?
Carlosta.
Carlota. Ay, bumaba ito. Ano? Right, thank you.
Okay. Good morning, good morning.
Trey, nasabihan ka ni Ate Duday ng mga gagawin nyo?
Oo.
Okay, dalhin mo yung ATM kasi magta-transfer po bayad nyo sa sa airport. Doon sa may send ko sa'yo yung address. Unahin nyo, dapat makaalis na kayo dyan ng mga 7. Kasi pa-traffic 9, dapat nandun na kayo kay Doc, ha? Kahit mga 7:30, 7 kasi ma-traffic sa Commonwealth. Kasi,
Ah,
oh.
hindi ko pa po anong gagawin na i-demo ko lang po ba yung camera?
Hindi.
Good morning, Ormoc. Good morning, Carlosta Hotel here in Ormoc. Here's my view. That's the Robinson, Ormoc. There. Good morning, Ormoc. Good morning. Let's go back. Morning. We're about to check out because we are going to attend the seminar here in Ormoc Dental Chapter. So today is, August 19, 2024. Alright guys, bye-bye.
Oral Health Awareness Campaign, aliwatanin po ang ating Oral Health Promotion. Bumaba na po ng 2018 ang oral diseases sa ating bansa. Kalapakan po ang mga sarili. 73% na lang po ang prevalence from 97 to 73 and periodontal disease from 76 to 50% na lang po. Okay? Facts po ito coming from the DOH Index surveys. But they are now having the 5 years na yung Google, yung RTE, and it will build up.